I work with computers and that type of thing for my day job, right? And then when painting, I always wanted to be very structured in my painting. And Jen has helped me learn that it doesn't have to be structured. It doesn't have to be stressful to paint. Just paint loose. And so I've learned how to paint loose, and the looser I paint, the more fun I'm having.
It's amazing how quickly you can go through the steps from beginning to end because of the impasto technique that she teaches, wet on wet. And so you're just moving through the steps naturally, but there's a freedom about it. And so you can find the time, even if it's 20 minutes, you know, a week or a day, or you can find the time, and it's liberating, it's freeing.
Emotionally, I think that it's been a lifesaver. I've always done for everybody else, and I've never focused on me. And then when the house cleared and I had nothing to do, I work, but I work on my own hours, so I can work when I want. And I was just kind of stagnant in my life. These classes gave me something to look forward to. And I mean, I was a painting fool for a whole month. I'd finish one, put it aside, and start another one. My spirits just started lifting, and my husband said I was smiling, I was dancing around the house, and he said, I've never seen you like this.
I would say if you are even remotely interested in Jen's paintings, if you just love them and connect, you should sign up, because I have no creative artist painting abilities, and she has taught me to create some pieces that I am very, very proud of. I am shocked every day that I painted that, and we have them hanging in our house, and I'm looking at them all the time, and I just say, I did that. And I look at hers and I say, you did that. She's got some beautiful pieces hanging up.
Anyone can do it. I love Jen's saying that if you can frost a cake, you can do this technique, and that's absolutely true. I mean, sometimes I put on the frosting a little thicker, but that's okay. It makes the painting that more richer. If you're on the fence, give it a try. You'd love it.